So if you're heading into the mid-Atlantic or to the northeast, we are dealing with Arctic air just falling into the lower 48. And it's that Arctic air that we experienced this morning that's going to eventually move more towards the north and east. And because of that, we saw a lot of that snowfall very early on. So across the country, we noticed yesterday that several states had some type of winter storm warning or advisory still ongoing for the interior Pacific Northwest, as well as a significant wind chill for the northern plains. Areas like Minot, North Dakota, reporting 40 below zero with that wind chill. Wind chill warning usually for that location is 35 below zero. And across the Northeast, there were winter storm warnings that have now expired, but winter weather advisories continue anywhere from Boston towards Maine. So a lot of the north and east dealing with that still. And it's because of this jet stream that has dipped towards the south. Basically what that means is that this polar air managed to find a window to move down into the lower 48, impacting many of our states. And here closer to home, we noticed that in the form of very chilly weather this morning. In fact, temperatures widespread below that 32-degree mark. A lot of us have already seen that climb. And we told you that we're going to warm up today. That's all thanks to the south wind returning. So that polar jet that helps bring in that cold air, that's moving away from us. It's moving back up towards the north. Meanwhile, the south wind is going to come from a warmer location from the Gulf. And that's going to help bring in a little more cloud cover. So we'll notice, this is Friday around 6 or 7, we'll notice more clouds rolling on in, and that's going to help bring up our moisture. It's going to help bring up the heat as well. So Saturday, look at how the morning starts. Around 7, 8, 9 in the morning, we'll see some scattered showers across the area. We'll notice maybe even a thunderstorm or two, mostly south and east of the Metroplex, where we could see some pretty gusty winds associated with this. And then the rain, that goes away completely by Sunday, sometime between 9 and 10 in the morning, but we'll notice a little cloud cover to start. Sunday afternoon, our next cold front moves in, and that is what's going to help cool us down for early next week. As far as a severe weather threat, it's very low, non-existent for the Metroplex, but south and east of the area, just south of Corsicana, it does look like a marginal risk. That's a very low end threat, a 1 out of 5 for the likelihood of strong to severe storms. And the main concern is going to be the potential for gusty winds with any thunderstorm that develops. Again, very isolated threat there. So again, coverage for rain on Saturday at about 20. We're not going to see a lot of rain out of it either. More or less than 1/10 of an inch or a trace at best. Better chance for rain comes middle part of next week, and it looks like we could see better coverage of rain, and we could also see heavier rain, and it's all thanks to a low that's tracking in from the Pacific. So wait and see for that one. As far as today goes, though, will be sunny. It's going to be breezy. It's going to be cool, but not as cold as yesterday. Wind out of the south and east. Temperature climbs to about 50 degrees in Dallas. And then tonight, as more clouds roll in, we're not going to cool off very much. About 42 for the morning low by the time we make it to Saturday morning. We do warm to 65 degrees, a significant warm up for Saturday. On Sunday, temperatures at about 59, but look at Monday morning, back to about 35 degrees. It's going to be breezy, it's going to be colder, and that's all thanks to that cold front we're expecting. And then again, rain chances going up Wednesday, Thursday, Friday of next week.